conventional tool that is often used to cut, sharpen, or route objects for a specific purpose. The principle of its own work is that the rotating grinding stone will come into contact with the object until there is sharpening, erosion, or cutting and sharpening. Grinding machine function. Number 1. Cut core items that are not too thick. Number 2. Forming profiles such as angles or SRs or corpus. Number 3. Smoothing and flattening the surface of the workpiece. Number 4. Surface the cutting tool to keep it sharp. Number 5. Smoothing or removing the sharp side of the workpiece. Number 6. As a process to the end finishing on the workpiece. Types of grinding machine. Number 1. Surface grinding machine. Surface grinding machine is a grinding machine that refers to the manufacture of flat surface and flat surface on a workpiece that is under a rotating grinding stone. Number 2. Hand grinding machine is a machine that serves to grind the workpiece. Initially, grinding machines were only intended for hand metal workpieces such as iron or it can also aim to form workpieces such as within the result of cutting, within the result of welding, forming arches in angular workpieces, preparing the surface of the workpiece to be molded on other. Number 3. Sheeting grinding machine. The main function of sheeting grinding is to sharpen the drill bit, but it can also be used to sharpen other knives, such as sharpening kitchen knives, machetes, compact sickles, plow ayes, and other knife tools. A. Cylindrical grinding machine. Cylindrical grinding machine is a machining to the surface of make cylindrical shapes, star-filled, cylindrical, and so on. Hand grinding parts. Number 1. Grinding wheels, grinding ayes are useful for cutting objects which this object must be replaced regularly and scheduled if the condition has been wear out and not sportive. Number 2. The wheel cover of the grinding eye, the surface to close the grinding eye, the rotates so that the spark of iron powder does not hit the skin or the eyes. Number 3. A grinder is useful for clamping objects that will be cut so as not to move, serve, and loose when cut. Number 4. The main switch surface to turn the engine on and off, and the cable to conduct electricity. How to use hand grinders? Because hand grinders are quite often used, but in construction sites, workshops to household, you need to pay attention to how to use them. First, prepare the components of your work to grind the complete. Then make sure your hands are clean, especially from oils that can make hands slippery and will be harmful when using hand grinders. Second, cause a grinding stone that is feasible and according to the need for the cutting of certain object. Also, Make sure the AS are in good condition. Next, install the grinding stone on the machine and make sure it has been fitted to the right point and installed properly. Choose a comfortable position to do the grinding. When grinding, don't limit hand grinding to one of your stairs. Hold the hand grinder firmly when it starts to be turned and in use. If possible, print the workpiece you want to grind with a special table. Then turn on the hand grinding by pressing the on button on the machine. Pay attention to this surrounding environment so that sparks and errors when grinding will not hit flammable and harmful materials. Finally, point the hand grinding on the workpiece you want to grind. Do the grinding well and properly. When you're done, turn off the hand grinding machines by pressing off the off button. Once you're done, you still need to clean and tidy up the work environment. Make sure you return the hand grinder to safe, strong area.